Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make guava milkshake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 medium-sized, ripe guavas, which are soft and fragrant. We'll also use 1 cup of cold milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a handful of ice cubes. These simple components are the foundation for a delicious and refreshing treat, perfect for any time of day. Make sure your guavas are perfectly ripe for the best flavor. Now, let's prepare our guavas. Begin by washing them thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt. Next, carefully cut each guava into quarters. You'll want to scoop out and discard the seeds, as they can make the milkshake gritty. If you prefer an extra smooth texture, you can also peel the skin, though it's not strictly necessary. Ensure all hard or discolored sections are removed for the best taste. With our guavas ready, it's time to blend. Carefully add the prepared guava pieces, 1 cup of cold milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar into your blender. Secure the lid and blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, with no lumps remaining. Then, add a handful of ice cubes and blend again for about 30 seconds until everything is well incorporated and chilled. Give it a quick taste and adjust the sugar if needed. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious homemade guava milkshake. Carefully pour the freshly blended shake into a tall glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a thin slice of guava on the rim or a fresh mint sprig. This recipe makes 1 generous serving, perfect for a quick treat. Serve it immediately to savor its cool, creamy texture and tropical flavor. Cheers to your refreshing creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.